Hey everyone, Siavash here from ClinicSync Pro, and in this quick video, as I promised, I'm going to show you how you can actually add a patient note into your Jane using our API. So previously, I showed you how you can actually add an appointment note when you're actually making an appointment and pushing that appointment automatically to your Jane. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually add a patient note. So if you don't know what patient note is, if you go to a patient and choose a patient, and if you scroll down, these are where the notes are coming in. Now, I want you to keep looking at this one. This says note one. Now I'm gonna send a new note called note two and see how it gets updated there and gets added as a second note. There you go. Now you can see the note two came in. Now, this is a very simple API endpoint. I'm going to show you the example of how you can actually replicate this. So basically, all you need is you need our endpoint like this, and it's a post API, and you need a body like this, your location ID, the patient ID, and the text that you want to put for your patient. So if you're already using our what you call it, our sync, you will have all of these details so you can pass it on. So I'm going to quickly show you if, let's say, you're using GHL, how you can actually achieve this. Okay, let's say you're using GHL, so you want to basically add a custom webhook, and then you're gonna put these in here. So the location ID is basically you can grab it from a couple of places, whether you're using GHL or not. So if you go to your ClinicSync Pro dashboard, and let's say this is the one that we're using, you click on these three dots, you click on Request Full Sync. And the number that comes in here, that is your location ID, okay? So you can just copy and paste that and use that, whether you're using GHL, API, or whatever, that is your location ID, and that's what we need for this API endpoint to work. But yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.